Hi guys, Namaskaram. Welcome to my channel Sri's Elite, where I do lots of sustainable crafting and eco-friendly crafting in this channel. During times of Navaratri, most of the South Indian have this golu setup and the cover for that and arrange the dolls and some extra arrangements according to their interest in crafts. So usually the main problem comes when we do the covering part. So it takes lots of time to cover a golu padi. I came up with this idea of making this golu cover by myself. Today in this video I am going to show you with measurements for this 5-step golu stand. If you are having some other golu stand also, you can measure it and you can stitch the golu cover. So this video will be of 2 parts. First part I will be showing how to take measurements for this golu padi. Not only this, whichever golu padi you are having, you can take the measurements accordingly and you can stitch it. It's very easy. Even a person who doesn't know to stitch in a tailoring machine can stitch it with your hand also. I'm not a professional tailor. I know just a basic stitching work, that's it. So with this help I did all this golu stand cover. Now we'll see how to make this paper cutting and measurements for this golu stand. Here I have drawn a rough drawing of this golu stand for one side. This is the longest step here. Next gradually decreases to small step. This will be our paper model. So here I have taken. Now we'll measure this step height. The longest height of my golu stand is 114 centimeters. So this part is going to be 114 centimeters. This will be our rough work for our paper cutting. So here this is our longest length of our step. This will be from here to here. Just for imagination, we'll be taking 114 centimeters. And here I have taken 114 plus 2 centimeters for our stitchings. So this will be our 116 centimeters. When you are drawing, you are marking in your model paper. First you have to mark your 2 centimeters here and you have to draw a line. From next steps we will be taking the measurements from this part. We are going to lay this 2 centimeters and from here we will be measuring it. Now we will move into this second step. My second step length is 91 centimeters. So here I will be measuring from here 91 centimeters. So roughly we'll draw it here. This is the part which I am showing you and later I will do the measurement perfectly into my sheet. So this is our first step and this is our second step. Moving to a third step. Is 68 centimeters. Approximately drawing it below. So just will imagine this is 68 centimeters. This is our first step, second step and third step. Now we'll move to the fourth step. My fourth step is 46 centimeters. So I'll be measuring from here 46 centimeters. Now we'll move into a final step. My final step or the last step is 23 centimeters. So from here I'll be measuring 23 centimeters. So while we are cutting the cloth, we will cut from here till here. This will be our first step or the longest step, and our second step from here to here, third step from here to here, fourth one from here to here, and fifth one here to here. So this will go into our foldings of the cloth. Now we'll measure the width of this single stand. Here it is 23 centimeters. 23 plus 2 centimeters, 25. This part should be 25 centimeters, or according to your stand's measurement you can take it. We will measure 25 centimeters of the width of our first step or the longest step of our golupadi. For the next step we'll measure. Here we have measured for 23 centimeters, and when it comes to a second step, here this is going to come here, but our cloth will come here and here as a step, so we had to take it measurement as 21 centimeters. So this one will be 21 plus 2, 23 centimeters. For my golupadi, from the second step till my last step, the width of the each step is 23 centimeters. I will be taking 23 centimeters for each step. Now we'll see how to mark this rough drawing in our paper. If you're having any newspaper or paper which is above 116 or 117 centimeters, that paper will be ideal. Otherwise you can join some paper and you can make it as a big paper. So here we will take measurements like this. The length will be 116 centimeters and the width will be 25 centimeters. Then from here, that is from our fourth step, we will minus 2 centimeters, and we will draw a rough line here. Once we cut this part, then we have to cut this part, and then we can draw it, and then we can take the measurement in our cloth. I'll be showing you this one step by step when I do this in my cloth. Hope you understood how to take the measurements of your golupadi. If you have any doubts regarding this, you can feel free to comment me in my comment box. I will clear your doubts. This measurement will vary from your golupadi to other golupadis also. So it's better you fix your stand and you can take the measurements. Then now we'll go into the materials. Now I'll show how I did this rough work in my main paper. Starting from here till here will be my first step of my golupadi. Here I have taken 25 centimeters. Then moving to my second step, here the width is 23 centimeters and the length from here till down it is 91 centimeters, and here for my third step, same as it is 23 centimeters width and length is 68 centimeters till here. From second step we are measuring till here, from here, third step, fourth step. Now we'll see how to take measurement for this steps. Here I have drawn the rough figure of this golupadi which has 5 steps in it. So we'll be measuring this part and from here also. So this will be our width of the cloth and this will be our length of the cloth. So here we'll see how much it is. This is 23 and 23 here. So this applies only to our first step. So both together it is 46. In our previous measurements, while we are taking for this step, we used to add 2 centimeters for each step. But here when we are measuring for this width of the steps, we no need to add any 2 centimeters or extra centimeters. Once we measure all the measurements of the steps, then at last we'll add our extra centimeters for that. So this one, it has each and every step is little bit different in measurements. Here it was 23 and here 23, but when it comes to our second step, it is 20 here, 20 here, 20 here and 20 here. We are not measuring from this part because when we stitch the material, this is going to cover till here and this whole part is not going to be covered. So we will be taking measurement from here till here, 20. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 into 20. 20 centimeters into 4. That's going to be 80 centimeters. And now we will measure this part. And from this step, here it is 22. And here also it's 22. 22. 22. From our second step, this leg is 22, 22, 22 and last also is 22. So 22 into 4, which is 88 centimeters. Now we'll add all this length together. Now the length of this step is 214 plus 2, that is 216 centimeters. Here I have taken 2 colors of fabric. You can choose a single color also. So this blue will come sideways like this. I will be cutting this blue fabric in this pattern here which I have shown. And this double shaded color will come into my steps here. For this, there is no need of any extra work in cutting. Just we have to take the measurements. Our width will be 91 centimeters and our length will be 216 centimeters. Just you have to lay it into your measurement and you have to cut it and keep it a whole piece for this. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and stay connected to watch my part 2 of this video. We'll meet you next interesting video. Until then, take care. Bye for now. Thank you for watching my channel, Sri's Elite.